And in South Carolina, Alex Murdaugh's defense team is expected to rest its case today in his double murder trial. The disgraced lawyer denies killing his wife and son in June of 2021, and he gave emotional testimony from the witness stand last week. But prosecutors say he is lying. Nikki Battiste has been following his trial since it began. And as it comes to a close, Nikki, good morning.
Tony, good morning. As this trial enters its sixth week, another twist. Murdaugh was charged with a misdemeanor Friday after court adjourned. For what remains unclear, but it comes with closing arguments in this dramatic trial on the horizon.
During nearly 6 hours of testimony on Friday, Alex Murdaugh denied murdering his wife and son.
I can promise you I would hurt myself before I would hurt one of them.
But he did concede a history of lying about millions of dollars in financial fraud, his addiction to opioids, and even his whereabouts on the night of the murders, admitting he'd been at the crime scene before they happened, despite telling law enforcement otherwise.
Everything about me not going to the kennel was a lie.
And you're able to just do that so easily and so convincingly and so naturally, don't you?
I mean, that's not for me to judge.
CBS News legal analyst Nikki Battiste says Murdaugh's decades of experience as a lawyer served him well on the witness stand, going far beyond yes or no answers to prosecutors' questions.
He was about as experienced a witness as I have ever seen.
That you hurt the ones you love the most, didn't you?
I did say that. You're implying to this jury and to me that was me talking about hurting Maggie and Paul. And that's not what that was.
The prosecution says Murdaugh's alleged motive to kill was to distract from his financial crimes. The defense has portrayed him as a family man who would never do such a thing.
The defense just has to poke holes in the case in order to raise reasonable doubt. And all they need is one juror.
Kleeman told us that in criminal cases, the prosecution does not have to prove motive. But she says in this case, the prosecution's theory may be difficult for the jurors to believe. The defense attorneys say they will call 4 witnesses today before resting their case. Nate?
Nikki, thank you.
It is such a fascinating case, Nate. However this turns out, I really want to hear what the jurors are thinking, what they believed. It'll be interesting to see what they believe and who they believe in this particular case.
The defense only needs one.
That's right.
Right about that.